Hi, this is Dr. Justin Brown. We're going to be going over core strength level 1. These are exercises to be done every single day. This is diaphragmatic breathing. This could be done on the floor or it can be done on the bed. Super important to breathe. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on your back. You can keep your knees up and we're going to be breathing in through our nose. We're going to hold that for 3 to 5 seconds and then we're going to exhale out through our mouth. And it looks like this. As I breathe in, I'm going to push my spine to the ground. Breathe in through the nose. Hold for 3 seconds and exhale through the mouth. That's diaphragmatic breathing, and you want to do that for anywhere between 1 to 2 minutes. This is a pelvic tilt movement, which is a very small movement. You're simply going to try to press your spine into the ground as you bring your body up slightly. That's it. Small little movement in your lower abdomen to be able to build strength in that lower abdomen. We're going to do 10 to 15 repetitions of this. This is the dead bug, and this is going to help you feel more alive. So what we want to do is we're going to go on our back. You can do this on the floor or in bed. You're going to raise both your knees and your arms in the air, and you're going to drop both opposite arm and opposite leg simultaneously. And you want to keep that core nice and tight. You don't even have to let either your arm or your leg hit the ground. You can maintain them in the air. And this is, again, building nice, strong core strength. This is a glute bridge where you're going to be pressing your hips straight to the sky by pressing through your heels and contracting your glutes. And then we're going to go ahead and do anywhere between 10 to 15 repetitions, holding for a few seconds at the top and relaxing back to the ground.
Okay, this is the clamshell, and this is really good for strengthening the hips. So you're simply going to be on your side. You can do this on the ground or in bed. And you like to support your head and neck while you're on your side. But essentially, we're just opening up the hip and relaxing it back down. We can do about 10 to 15 repetitions of this. And if it becomes too easy, you could put a resistance band across your knees to be able to create more resistance to make that more difficult. But we're building strength in the glutes and in the hip abductors.